Alright, it is another beautiful day out, and we're going to be riding a little bit aggressive today. A little bit more aggressive than usual. We're going to be trying stuff that we have not mastered completely yet. We got a little game of soccer going on here. Look at this soccer. That's pretty cool soccer right there. Oh, should not accelerate when my hands are off the handlebar. That's a bad thing to do. Part of riding aggressive is putting this in the third mode, the fastest mode available. That's the first step to riding aggressive. I actually fixed up my Patrick crock. There used to be a little cut here, and I glued it. It is honestly extremely dirty and disgusting, but that's part of the steez. Let's ride on the grass, because the grass is where I can fall without getting extremely hurt. And I don't like getting hurt. Who likes to get hurt? This was previously sprinkled. There were sprinklers going on in this grass. And it's probably wet. Let me test that out actually right now. It's still moist, but it's not as wet as it was. So if you saw my other short, you'd know that I completely failed to do a wheelie here. Well, not a wheelie. I can do a normal wheelie. Let's do one right now. Oh shit. But here's where I failed to do the wheelie downhill. It's not that steep, but it's pretty steep for a wheelie. So let's do it one more time. I want to wheelie downhill this thing. Alright, let's do our wheelie downhill. See, that wasn't bad. I just got a little bit scared to pull back. Now let's do a wheelie uphill. That was pretty ass. Let's do it one more time. There we go, baby. Yes, that makes me happy. Alright, let's see how long I can hold a wheelie. Not very long, not very long. That was not very long, holy crap. Let's try it again. I want to master it on grass before I get to the pavement. Is that a bad thing? I want to do it on grass before I do it on the pavement. Because on the grass I max out at like 15 miles an hour. On the pavement I go to 35. Pulled too far back there. I didn't pull far back enough. Let's do it again. You're probably wondering, why am I wheeling so much? It's just a wheelie. Anyone can do that. And I respond to that with, tell me when you saw a guy wheelie an electric scooter. It's not as common. You don't see that much. And if I could do that anywhere I am, that'd be so sick. I put too much weight on my front foot there. Put too much weight on the back foot there. So I just need a balance of both. Oh, I lean back. If I just leaned forward, I would have had that. If I land hard, this hook like digs into your belly and it hurts a little bit. That's what I don't want. Yes, bro. We're following my dad to the new location because I have no clue where I'm going.
Never trust on the that can never get his cash right. Numbers break cause he keep trying to live a fast life. Homie claim he broke but always hide in the gas price. They ain't give me money, wait, look. They ain't give me money so I went and got my own shit.
Alright, we've made it to the new location. There's a big hill right here. And there's a big stick in the road, uh-oh. Ah, there we go. Now I try to be not boring by going to the same location every single time. So hopefully this is a little bit of a switch up. I don't want to be too boring. Be like, oh, he's going to the same location every single day, man. It pisses me off. But I am going to do this big hill here. This is a giant hill. Let's go like all the way up here. Oh, there's a bunch of sticks though. A bunch of sticks. Holy crap. Alright, we're up here. Pretty awesome. Alright, let's go down it. Oh shit. Oh! Oh, fuck. That was fun. Should we try the climb test? Let's try to climb this hill. I don't think we're gonna get anywhere, but it's worth a shot. This terrain is really bumpy though. Holy crap. Alright, let's check it out. Come on, come on. Come on. No, alright. We only got about this far. Let's turn it around. And back down. Oh. This is used for soccer, I'm pretty sure. It's why it's so bumpy. What did I just run over? There's a stick on my foot. Can I get it off? Yeah, there we go. Some fun stuff. Let's pop a wheelie here. I just wish I could hold my wheelies for longer. I got an idea. What if I could hold onto your car and you ride?
Where are you going?
I don't know. You gotta go slow though, because I think I might fall. I'll hang on the back. Alright, go. Oh, shit. Trying again. Alright, let's go. Too slow, too fast. Because I gotta throttle as well and keep balance. Yeah. Oh. Oh, shit. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm done. Can't go faster. That's scary. This thing doesn't have a neutral. Look at this. That's cool. I like that pattern. I gotta apologize for my upload time. Usually I upload every 1 or 2 days, but this one's really delayed. Just because of family stuff. I've just been hanging out with my family. And I've also been lazy. But I'll try to get one every week at least. I'll try to do that. If I can't do that, then I'm probably dead. Don't gotta jinx myself there, but it's whatever. We're gonna cross here. Oh, that's water. Go fast. Oh, it got on me. Oh, there's more. Why does everyone sprinkle on Monday? Alright. Okay. Hopefully the audio is better this time. I actually got my mic working. And hopefully the microphone sounds good. Holy crap, bro. Oh. They gotta pave these sidewalks. There's a school. I want to check this out. We're gonna trespass here. Maybe not. Someone's there. It's Monday. Oh, shit. Yeah, somebody's here. I think we're gonna go back. Yeah, dude, somebody's up there and they're doing construction or something. It's pretty scary. It's a big school, though. It looks pretty nice. I try my best to stay off the road. I mean, it goes pretty fast, but, not fast enough to keep up with traffic. So it's like in between. Oh my god! I just got sprayed by whatever the hell that was. Let's hop off the sidewalk here. Hopping back on the sidewalk here. And it just cuts off. I hate it when they do that. They just cut off the sidewalk with no warning. Like, it just completely stops. They need to make a sign for that. The sidewalk ends or something. Maybe they do. I don't know. But they need to place them everywhere. Oh, whatever I got sprayed on me smells good. Like, it smells good. It came out of, like, an electrical box or something. And we got pollen on the ground. That's honestly a hazard. Now I got some pollen in my eyeball. These goggles are good because they prevent a lot of stuff. But when it comes to little tiny things like dust or pollen, I just can't do anything about that. Hey, it's alright though, because you only need one eyeball, right? Am I correct? You don't need two. You only need one. Oh shit. Yo, I almost just... What am I doing? I'm being stupid. Holy crap. I gotta stop being stupid. Whee. Alright, so I'm being stupid here by going full throttle on my ass. Oh, fuck. Alright, wait, I'm slipping out. Yeah, I can't be doing that. And I feel gangster now because my pants are sliding off. My pants are sliding off. And there's the golf course. I really want to go down there, but I might have to pay. And I don't have to, I mean, I guess I don't have to pay. But, I mean, I'd get caught pretty quickly. It's just a big open area where everyone can see me. I'd have to go at night, honestly. But the reflection on my goggles might reflect the light off. We're gonna go check out a park today. So this is the bike path, and the path next to me is a walking path, I'm pretty sure. So like if you want to walk, then you can go on the walking path. But if you want to go fast, you go on the biking path. I find it pretty cool. Alright, we're going fast down. Whoa! And we're coming across this intersection. So I just gotta watch out for intersecting people. Alright, there's chalk here. That's a big danger. I mean, I appreciate the art. I mean, who am I hating on chalk? I'm hating on kids drawing. I shouldn't be doing that. But I'm not sure. If there's like a big pile of chalk that's super slippery, then yeah, that'd be a hazard. And I wouldn't like that. We're in the passing lane now, but we're coming up to our destination, which is this kid's playground. Look at what we got here. This is what the playground has to offer, is this dip right here. Oh shit. This is cool. Oh, but it's bumpy. Oh shit. Hey, that wasn't that bad. Oh, it's a water park too. That's even worse. Alright, no, we're getting out of here. I don't feel comfortable doing that. And also don't think the kids would be comfortable with a GoPro up their face while they're at a water park. So we're gonna turn it around. Try this here. These guys are on the road. They got an electric. Actually, I kind of want to race them. Should I race them? You gotta give them that wave. Even if that wave means losing your balance and crashing, you gotta give them that wave. Oh, they might be going really fast, actually. Yeah, they're all the way up there. I'm going 27. And they're probably going faster. I don't think I'm gonna be able to beat them. Yeah, dude, they're gone. I'm in the dust. But hey, they're probably in an expensive gas little bike. I'm in a little electric scooter. So I don't think I'm ever gonna beat that race. Hey, maybe if I modded this scooter though. Wait, actually, that's them right there. I'm actually catching up pretty quick. Hold on. Come on, please don't be cars. Alright, perfect. Let's go. I want to catch up so bad. I mean, I don't want to sound all tough, but if I could catch up, that'd be pretty cool beans. Oh, they went that way. Damn it! Why would they turn? Oh man. That sucks. I've actually never gone up this way. Maybe I'll do that in a different one because I have enough footage, my battery's low, and that's about it. See, if you go fast enough, bumps don't apply to you. Kadoom. There we go, no bumps. I forgot to fix my pants. My balls are probably hanging out right now. See, what I love about this scooter is I can push down on my right foot and it turns me right. And I can push down on my left foot and it turns me left. So with that newfound knowledge, I could do this. I could swerve left and right just by moving my feet. I don't even have to use the handlebars. And honestly, I guess that's called basic leaning. I'm only leaning, but it's pretty cool. Now I've got to slow down here. Make sure some guy doesn't come by at 2,000 miles an hour. And there's a pedestrian up ahead, so I got to be careful of that. There's some cool beans. My throat is getting extremely dry because my speed, and I'm talking quite a bit actually, and there's people up here. I think I'm gonna do a full-on review soon. About a month of having my scooter, I'll have a review because I am getting better with using it. There's a bunch of pollen and sticks on the path here. We actually got a crazy windstorm, I think a few days ago. And it just like completely destroyed everything. And there's a dog park for little doggies. Okay. Alright, I think right here we could pop a wheelie. Ah, that's too hard. Oh, there's dogs here. There's people here. There's a soccer game going on. There's a lot of stuff going on here. There we go. That was my best one yet. We got a rollerblader too. But it is getting dark. The sun is trying to hide behind the clouds. I don't know, I'm gonna jump off the scooter now. And I think that's about it. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like so I can post more. And that's about it. Alright, bye.